Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing this video for you guys today because I finally saved up some money and got a nice camera and some lighting and some crazy curtains, and I'm just really excited. I feel like this is what I really want to be doing with my life and my time, and I want to be playing with makeup and filming it for you guys and talking to you about stuff. So this is a really exciting day for me to be able to use all my new goodies and chase something that I've been passionate about for years. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that you guys get a chance to play around with this collection because I really love the way it turned out. Yeah, so please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and if you want to see more videos from me, feel free to give it a like, thumbs up, comment, whatever. Let me know what you thought of the collection. I do agree that unicorns are getting a little exhausting. I'm a little unicorned out, I'm not gonna lie, but I do love the way this collection turned out. It's very whimsical and fun, and I think that if you, even if you're not a unicorn fan, I think that a lot of these products you can still get a lot of use out of, and they play well with other things that you would probably already have in your collection if you're a makeup person. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'm gonna wave my little unicorn wand. Let's play with makeup. First I want to talk about the palette, the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you guys. Here are the colors. It's a big old rainbow. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and show you guys the swatches real quick. So yeah, here are all 12 shades in the palette swatched. Super gorgeous. Really good pigment. And plus the bonus Unicorn Tears highlighter. And bonus kitty cat tattoo. Alright, let's do this. I just made myself some coffee. I'm pretty sure there's already glitter in my coffee, and I have barely even started using this collection yet, so that's cool. Yeah, so I've already done my face. I used all Toofaced products, Born This Way foundation, concealer, setting powder, and then I did my brows with my Anastasia Dip Brow to just get my eye frame ready, and we are primed and ready to rock and roll. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna try to use as many colors from this palette as I can. It's definitely gonna be kind of a fun and wacky look because obviously you probably wouldn't be using an entire rainbow on your eye for every day. But yeah, I just want to use as many colors as I can. So first we're gonna go in with the highlight, the Unicorn Tears. This is amazing. I love this on cheeks, but I especially love it right in here in my inner corner. It's so cool. It just looks white in the palette, but when you put it on, it's very iridescent and pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start that right in my inner corner. She's going for it. Okay, and now I'm gonna just kind of try to keep a gradient. So we're gonna go in with Mystic Rain, which is one of the duochrome shades. It's pink and blue a little bit, pink and teal. And I'm just going to blend that right in with the Unicorn Tears. These definitely perform best either wet or with a finger, I would say, just to get the full holographic kind of shift payoff. I would definitely either dampen your brush or at least kind of pat it on with your finger, because I have a sticky base on and it's still taking a little finesse to get it to really show up. Now I'm going to take Young and Free, which is the pink shade. It's one of the 2 matte shades in the palette. And I'm going to take this, and I'm still using the same brush, girl. That's why we work light to dark. So I'm going to take this and run it all the way under my lower lash line and stop with maybe a quarter of it left. Just leave that last outer quarter of my lower lash line free of any color. Yeah, I'm going to take a blending brush and take Young and Free and just bring it on the innermost part of my crease right up here. So it's kind of blending in with the Unicorn Tears and right over the top of that Mystic Rain shade. And I'm going to bring it right in under the front part of my eyebrow. Then I'm going to take the same fluffy brush and go into Desert Vibes, the brown matte shade, and finish off defining my crease with that. And this is a really pigmented matte, so you definitely can go in pretty light-handed with this. Then I'm going to go into Sunset Dream, which is the orange shade. This one's still got a decent amount of shimmer in it, but I'm going to use it to blend basically right over the top of Desert Vibes. Just to kind of diffuse it and really warm it up. Okay, now I'm going to go into Fun in the Sun, which is this yellowy gold. Super pretty. I'm going to blend that right over the top and up through my brow bone. Whoa! So this is going to eventually mix in with my highlight. And then I'm going to take Beamin', which is the lightest shade, with another gold reflect, and I'm just going to put that right at the top of my brow bone. I might just use my finger just to really pop. Then I'm going to go in with Euphoric, and I'm just going to take this shade on my finger and blend her in with Mystic Rain on the lid. So keeping it right towards the center. And I'm going to take on another smaller blending brush. Ignore the fact that she's stained. But I'm going to go into Fantasy, which is the bright purple. And I'm just going to work that in my outer corner. And right on that very last bit of the outer part of my lower lash line. And then to finish off the shadow, I am going to dip into Dusk Teal Dawn, this electric blue shade, and just blend out the purple on that outer part and just marry it with the Fun in the Sun gold. And as the final touch, this looks insane right now, I'm going to go into Fireflies, the green, and blend in the blue and the gold. So we have gone full rainbow eyeball. How fun is that? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah. And that completes the eye look, just dusting away any fallout. It really doesn't fall out too bad, considering how pigmented the shadows are. Now I am going to add some winged liner, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back with lashes and mascara and liner, and this is the finished eye look. Pretty. I'm feeling it. My dog is whining. This dog, I swear to God. What do you want? Okay, so now we're going to get into the highlighters and things like that. I already showed you the Unicorn Tears highlighter. It's what I have in my inner corner. Love that on the cheeks, but there's so many. There's another one that I want to show you guys, so we could do one on each cheek, I suppose. I've got the rainbow highlighter, the rainbow strobe, and I want to show you guys how that looks all, I want to show you guys how it looks all mixed together and also how it looks as a rainbow. And then I also have the Unicorn Dreams highlighting stick. Laura Lee cracked me the F up. She was like, look it looks like it's coming out of a unicorn's butthole. It does. It's like a unicorn turds. I will say this highlighter is gorgeous. There she is. But do not, under any circumstances, just put this on right over your foundation, because I made that mistake on a client and it ruined all of my hard work. So definitely, it's not jelly enough. I mean, most stick highlighters don't work once you've already set your face. Like, they just don't play well over powder. So I'm gonna warm it up on the back of my hand. You can see I've got quite the generous amount, and I'm just gonna take it on my beauty sponge, my Real Techniques blending sponge, and I'm gonna just dip into that and tap it on to my cheekbones. Honestly, out of all the items in the collection that I've tried, this is probably my least favorite. It's pretty. Like, if you can see, I definitely got a little bit of a glow from it. So if, you know, I think for an actual festival, like for the purpose of the highlighter, it would probably actually be a really good purchase, because you're not going to be like wearing a full face of makeup if you're at like Coachella or, you know, Lollapalooza or whatever. But this would be really pretty to just kind of like on your cheeks and kind of melt into the skin on like a hot sunny day if you don't want to be like glittery faced all day long, you know what I mean? And it makes a killer base for your highlighter, so that's what I'm going to do now after I take a sip of coffee. I'm going to put my rainbow highlighter over it. So I have the brush that goes with it too. It's slightly dirty, sorry, but this is the brush. It lines up with the rainbow, which is the cutest. Let's see. I honestly think this is gonna be awesome to do the whole rainbow. I'm like going in because I want you guys to really be able to see this rainbow. You don't have to go in that hard, but this is like sturdy enough that you can really like touch it and it will not like crumble off on you. But let's see how that goes. Yes, with a base underneath it. So if you want to rock that whole rainbow on your damn cheek, I actually would suggest getting the stick first and laying that down, because it definitely gave this something to stick to and really made the rainbow pop. Can you tell? That is so freaking pretty. It's subtle enough that like no one's gonna be like, ooh, that girl drew a rainbow on her cheek, but like it's so cool. Holy cow, I love it. And then on this cheek, I'm just gonna go in plain. I'm gonna use a little setting spray on my brush, because this is what I always do. Actually, here, just to really get the best pop. I don't have the Festival Refresh setting spray. I didn't get it in my box, but I'm just gonna use my Hangover RX because it's my fave. And I'm just gonna go in on the whole thing and swirl them together with just a highlighting brush. And show you kind of what it looks like all mixed together on its own. This side is definitely way more blinding, so I would suggest if you want like a crazy highlight, definitely throw that base down first, because I'm really pleased with the way that turned out. I'm gonna try to kind of blend it into my shadows that I brought up onto my temple a little bit. I want her to be glittery. And yeah, that's still gorgeous. Like by itself, it's totally wearable. Like I'll wear it out just on a regular night, because when you blend them all together, they get kind of golden. So yeah, I would definitely, this highlighter's a good one. It's a good purchase, and it's fun like if you want something limited edition and cool. And I know that like the rainbow highlighter's been done before, obviously. I think it was initially brought out by an indie brand, but this is like, this is Too Faced's way of doing that and like kind of jumping on that trend, but making it their own and not just like copying somebody's original idea and like putting out the same thing and making insane amounts of money off it, because they're automatically going to have better sales, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's move on to lips. So I have all 4 lipsticks and lip toppers. Here's the lip toppers. Here are the lipsticks. They're amazing. They're all amazing in their own right. I've been wearing Angel Tears a lot because it's really pretty with like a super smoky eye. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of them for you on my lips. I'll show you them by themselves and with the toppers. My favorite way to wear these though is to lay down a little bit of concealer first over my lips, because they're not like super duper pigmented. So yeah, I just like to throw my concealer over my lips so there's no like natural lip pigment coming through. And let's go ahead and just do the regular OG Unicorn Tears first. Y'all know what it looks like. This has been like a best-selling lipstick for years and years. I love this color. It's so gorgeous. Definitely not like an everyday situation, but it's like still flattering and cool. It doesn't do much for making your teeth look whiter, so that's unfortunate. but it's just a gorgeous color, and it's one of those colors that like was the first of its kind, and like doesn't like if I'm walking down the street and see some girl wearing this, I'm like, that's Unicorn Tears, like that's Too Faced, like this is one of a kind, amazing product. And I'm really happy that they kind of expanded on that, because the whole collection is dope. Like, I love it. And then I'll show you what the topper looks like over it. I love these with the toppers, but it does make them even more sheer. So that's why I like to lay down the concealer first. So this is Unicorn Tears. Maybe I'll use this for my thumbnail. Thumbnail. Life's a festival, bitches. All right, what do we want to see next? Let's go Mermaid Tears. This one's really cool. This was the first one I tried on when I demoed the collection a few months ago, and it's so cool. It's like scary green swamp in the tube, and it looks so good on the lips. It looks good with the tan, like olive skin tones. It looks really pretty. How cool is this shade? I don't understand. I don't know why I'm bringing up Laura Lee again. I just really liked her review of this collection, and I just love her, but I don't understand why she didn't like this color, because I feel like this would look so good on her skin tone. Like, it's such a rad color, and it's so cool, like over the top of a liquid lipstick. Like, that is the coolest. I love using all these over the top of liquid lipsticks. Like this over like a purple or even like a blue or a black would be like so cool. I just love how it's green in the tube and then it's like purple on your lips. That went on green. That's her with the topper. Up next, we're gonna do Fairy Tears. This one is probably like gonna be the most popular with everybody, but it's honestly my least favorite just because I'm not like a big pink person. Like hot pink is cool and like fuchsia is cool, but I don't like pink lipstick on me for some reason. It's just not my fave. But it's yellow in the tube, golden in the tube with a pink shift, and it is gorgeous, but it's just not my favorite for me. It smells like lemons. Lip topper I use a lot. Like this Fairy Tears over like a nude liquid lip is good. It's a good look. I just can't get over how pink it gets. So gorgeous. Even when it's not my color, it's pretty. Look at, can you see? Focus, you biatch. And last but not least, we're gonna swatch Angel Tears, which is my favorite and the one I definitely wear the most. This one is white in the tube and goes on. It goes on pretty light, but when it warms up, it's really gorge. This one, again, makes a good topper over like a nude liquid lipstick. It's really pretty. The only thing is you gotta watch out for the ring. And then I'm gonna pop Angel Tears topper over the top. And there you have it. And there you have it, guys. That was my review slash demo slash tutorial, I guess, of the new Too Faced Life's a Festival collection. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to smash that like button if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my next video, and let me know if there's anything you want to see from me in the comment section down below. You guys have a wonderful day. I will talk to you soon. Love you, bye. Oh, that's been there the whole video. Ugh. People are gonna get so annoyed with me because I had a string. It's supposed to be perfect.